So let's assemble the burrito bowl. So first we'll put some rice, some cooked rice at the base. So like that's the bed. Spread it out. Okay. Next we're gonna put some beans. Ooh. Next goes the guac. Nice. Next the chicken. So this chicken again is on the recipe is on in my channel already. It's very versatile. You can use it for whatever you want. So some protein. Next goes the cheese. I don't have any shredded cheese, so I just made like a few pieces out of the sliced cheese, and then we just drop them in and then put them in the microwave for a few seconds till it all melts. So here is the burrito bowl ready with the melted cheese. So you can put it for like a 45 seconds or like a minute till the cheese melts, and then dig in. Enjoy.